Hidden in the heart of Macedonia, near the quiet village of Slatino, lies a natural wonder whispered in legends and carved by time. Peshna Cave. A towering mouth in the limestone cliffs, the entrance of Peshna is one of the largest in the Balkans, over 30 meters tall and 16 meters wide. It looms like a gate to another world, drawing comparisons to the epic fantasy realms of Middle-earth. But Peshna is more than just a marvel of geology. It's a silent witness to thousands of years of human history. Archaeological evidence suggests that this cave has been inhabited since the Roman period, possibly even earlier. Tools, pottery shards, and other remnants tell a story of ancient life sheltered under its stone canopy. Above the entrance, the remains of a medieval fortress cling to the rocks, built in the 14th century and believed to be the stronghold of a noblewoman named Peshna, whose name the cave carries to this day. According to legend, she was the sister of King Marco, a hero of Balkan folklore and a warrior in her own right. Within the cave, nature speaks in echoes. Small streams flow across stone, bats flutter in the dimness, and the air is thick with the scent of earth and time. It's a place where silence isn't emptiness, but memory. Surrounded by untouched nature, Peshna is a hidden gem for explorers, historians, and dreamers. While it's not a well-known tourist site, its raw, untouched beauty is part of its charm. Here, nature and legend walk side by side. In a world rushing forward, Peshna stands still, a monument to endurance, mystery, and the deep stories carved into Macedonia's ancient stone. Peshna Cave, where history echoes and legends live on.